Have you ever sliced an onion and ended up crying and wondered why? In this video, I have an answer for the question of why onions make you to cry. To start this video, you need to learn the different tears when crying. The first type of tear is an emotional tear, and this tear is mostly known by many people. So this tear comes out when you're emotionally stressed, or emotionally extremely delighted, or perhaps emotionally touched by some matter. This tear has a tendency to make a lot of molecules of tears. So once this tear is activated or comes out with the emotional arousement, you will certainly cry for a long time. The second type of tear is the basal tear. Basal tear is a tear that just happens to produce every day, every single time that you blink. The purpose of the basal tear is to keep you out from the dirt or other sort of debris that make you quite painful as it sounds. Also, basal tear helps your eye by reinforcing your eye muscles with moistures. So do you now get why we need to blink a lot of times in our life? The third type of tear is called reflex tear, and this is what we are looking for today. Reflex tear activates to protect you from foreign particles such as chemicals or molecules that can make your eye to feel extremely painful. So in this case, we have the onions doing this chemical part that activates the reflex tear. Now, let's closely observe what is happening when the onion is being sliced. Inside the onion, there is a substance called amino acid sulfoids. But when the substance gets released in the air, it turns into sulfonic acid. And when it meets an enzyme called lacrimatory factor synthase, they turn into a chemical called propanethyl as oxide. By being a propanethyl as oxide, the chemical will be able to maintain its gas formation. But when this chemical meets basal or emotional tear or reflex tear happens after that process, they actually do a chemical reaction and it rearranges itself to a sulfonic acid again. At this moment, you'd think two things. The first one is, okay, these informations are quite useful. And the second one would be, why won't the scientists remove those acid substance out of the onion and make a GMO onion? The answer to that question is quite simple. It is because sulfonic acid itself makes the flavor that onion makes. So basically, when the scientists try to remove that substance, the onion would be nothing significant. If you like this video, please subscribe and put thumbs up to it. Thank you for watching.